Yeah, so my name's Owen. So we're at the BRR Masterclass with Samuel Leeds. Yeah, it's been really good, really interesting. Lots of helpful information, both from the presenters, Samuel Leeds, of course. We also had someone speaking about financing. Also, lots of amazing other people here. Lots of people part of the academy as well. So just networking as well. So it's been really, really good learning from everyone on stage, but also learning from lots of people off stage as well. So yeah, really enjoyable.
A lot of these events, I think you might have seen in the last few days, there's people who are actually managing.
Yes, absolutely.
How does that make you feel for, like,
Yeah,
wise?
yeah, definitely. Really, really inspirational. Just in, even people that I met literally a couple of days ago, now getting some amazing deals like lease options, for example, agreed in principle literally on day one. Even for myself, just in terms of having the confidence to make the calls to landlords, to sellers, agents, and so on. It's been really inspiring and managed to get some leads that, early days, but potentially could pan out. So, yeah, it's been really, really good.
Tell me about Samuel. Tell me what's like being taught by him.
Yeah, it's amazing. I mean, he's really enthusiastic. Um, I think you can see from the person that you see on the YouTube video, seeing him in person as well, it's his authentic self. I think that's really inspiring. Um, Obviously, he tells things as they are. He's not, he's not trying to mislead people, or he's not trying to, just blow himself up. It's all just about how can I help you? What do you need? And using those real life examples from his own journey, again, is really, really helpful. So yeah, it's amazing.
Amazing. Where are you going to go from here? What is this going to do for your career?
Yeah, I mean, essentially, I'm really looking to transition into full-time property. I'm looking to try to get first couple of deals across the line and then reinvest that. I'm not an academy member yet, but I want to reinvest that money into the academy, get an academy membership, because I can, from this event, I can really see the value of everything that it provides. So yeah.